Alright. Oh, plug your computer in. Damn it. Alright, well, thanks for tuning in, y'all. This is what we've all been waiting for. I am honestly pretty scared. I've done quite a bit of prep work for it. I covered a bunch of exposed copper on the board, and then I exposed some copper on the board and trimmed it for some jumpers. We're going to need what? What did I decide? I was going to skip those. We are going to need 4 jumper wires and a holy rosary, a voodoo dance. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know if this is going to work, y'all. I'm going to do my best. Thanks again for everybody tuning in and watching this. Alright, so I'm actually going to first reflow it into place. So give me one quick moment. Alright, this is something else. It's definitely something else. I mean, it's gonna work. Alright, we're back on the other cam here. Oh man. I'm gonna reflow it again and hopefully it sits a little better. It was looking pretty nice and then I don't know, man. All I could do is try, man. All I could do is try. It's definitely proving to be quite difficult. I'm going to have to really wing it hard on this one. Kind of like drill holes. Alright, so let's see if those are even making connection. Hopefully those are making connection. And see, now that view no longer works for that one. Dang it. Let's see, can we somehow fix that? Let's see, I'm going to try to fix this angle for you. Give me one moment. Alright, I got to figure out an angle live apparently on this one. It doesn't let you get a preview, unfortunately. This is difficult. There we go. It will adjust. Okay, we got this one. We could do some adjustments and zoom in a little more. Okay, that looks like we could see without losing too much quality. Yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Alrighty, so yeah, I don't know why I did that because that's what I'm gonna have to use. Oh, brother. I'm gonna have to get creative here. This is all new for me. I'm trying to do dual camera. I'm also trying a new camera, a 1080p camera. All my other ones with my phone keep maxing out at a 480, I believe, even though it's got way higher resolution than that. But that's nice. There we go. So we gotta make some adjustments. There we go. Alright folks, thanks for dealing with me. I finally got this together. I'm going to have to deal with some really super awkward positions, but that's on me. Hope you all enjoy the show. Okay, so moving forward. We did some prep work. We covered the exposed copper with some UV solder mask to protect the main board, not get solder where we don't want it. And then we basically did expose some copper where we did want it to run some jumpers. So we're going to do the tweezer test first, make sure that these have a solid connection. Hopefully they do. I know it's sitting kind of cocked. It's a little weird, but we're trying to work with these drill holes. Oh, it just sounds so stupid saying that. But yeah, if you guys could just work with me, I'll work with you. We'll get through this, and then we'll get her done. Oh, perfect. Okay, and then can you all still see? Yes, you all can still see. Oh, the phone's bugging out a little bit. I can still see. Alright, so tweezer test. Alright, so that is one we're going to need the jumper. The one next to it's solid. Those two we need the jumper. All the rest seem pretty solid. Except for this last one, which also needs a jumper. So we have, of course, these four we need a jumper. So let's get to jumpering. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you guys like. Hopefully, I mean, to me, this seems like some pretty juicy content. Someone friggin' drilled holes in a friggin' PS5, like one of the latest gaming consoles out there. Just doesn't make sense. Alright, so the iron is up to temp. I gotta locate the jumper wire. There we go. Alright, this is gonna be ultra fun. So the difficult thing is we gotta work over this liquid metal. So we have to completely avoid touching that liquid metal. Alright, and then these tweezers. Come on. Come on. Alright, that didn't work. There we go. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. This is extremely, yeah, I don't know how I'm going to do this. Nice. Don't at all know. Let's see, I'm going to have to be a really awkward position. Jeez Louise. Okay. That was one I didn't need to do. Dang it. Oh, apparently my camera. Okay, I just went into like a sleep mode. Alright, we need to do this one. And where'd it go? This one. Come on. Dang it. Well, this is really hard to say the least. Mostly because of where all this, what I'm doing to make all this work. We will prevail. We will be like Marines. We can adapt and overcome. There we go. Come on. I'm sweating like crazy. It's like 110 degrees and it's like midnight or something crazy like that now. And I'm just sweating balls. Alright, so that's not gonna work. Get it right on the edge. There we go. And now we're gonna get it just right there. But no, come on. There we go. Now I need to get that. See, it wasn't strong enough. Dang it. So I like to broadcast what it's really like. This is all the behind the scenes, all the sweating and everything. Normally people be editing all this out and show you just where they get everything right. And let's see, we got those three in this one. Oh, well, we're forgetting our friend Mr. Fox. Okay. Just remember to always avoid the freaking, whatchamacallit, the liquid metal. There we go. Jesus. Come on. God, this is so difficult. I really can't see what the hell I'm doing. I should have just live streamed this. Alright, so this one. I can't even see what that is right there. I feel like I'm gonna freaking sweat all over everything. Oh man. Okay, so I'm right where I want to be then. Of course. Of course, of course. Still got 4 more to go after, or 3 more to go after this one. Alright, I'm going to try to do what I normally do and slice it down to size. It should be more manageable. Hopefully it doesn't get away from me. It'll either work really well or I'll regret it. And it should be cut. I can see it. It's all gooey. Dude, I honestly can't see what the hell is going on. Sorry for the weeble wobble, Phil. I gotta try to clear that spot up though. Literally just all goobied up. All freaking basically blackened. There we go. There's solder under there. Okay. We do need a little flux, so let's put a little flux back. There we go. Oh, I forgot to cut it down the side. Let's get it in this place first. I'm just hoping the 1080p is worth it because this is really difficult. There we go. Alright, so I cut it. I good it. Now let's see if it's easier or more difficult to work with, because this is what I normally do, is cut it. And oh, I can have it. There we go. Where'd it go? Can't see. Oh, there it is. I have to take it out. So the difficulty now is that I can't flip and see it good enough to do anything. Oh man. I will make it. I made a promise I'll get it done. I don't know if it will work, but I said I'll get it done. Hopefully it works. Alright, y'all. Going in. Dang it. Pretty much the same thing just happened. Come on. Not too much soda. Just a little soda. No, still too much soda. There we go. There we go. Just got 3 more here. God, that was painful. This is where you don't DIY, folks. Don't destroy yourself. Do not destroy yourself. It's very expensive. It's very painful for both of us. I don't enjoy this very much. I enjoy the challenge, but man, what a challenge. Alright. Alright. Jumper number 2. And where are we at? Where are we at? Where are we at? Be careful. Did we get it? You sure now, babe? We could just angle that. Yeah. Come on. Ouch. Pull the bonehead. Come on. I should have my fume extractor on, but I'm concerned about the noise. Alright, looks like we might have got two. God, it's actually kind of blurry for me. Let me get this. Come on. There. No, it's... Oh, man. Kind of helped, I guess. Still can't really see that good. I'm going to try to clear up a little because I can't see for crud. Hopefully y'all can see better than me. Let's see, what is this HD? Oh, the HD loss. Okay. I'm like knocking crap over to try to get this to work, man. There we go. Alright, so now I'm going to try to clear this out. Because I cannot see crap. Dude, if I could get this freaking unit to work, I'd be so surprised. Okay, I'm worried about that. What does that look like? Yeah, I'm thinking that's two that are bridged, and that's what it is. Actually, I have one routed to the wrong thingy bopper. Crap. Let's see. That's a ground. That goes there. Crap. Well, I gotta fix that. Alright, let's see if we can fix it. Excuse me. I'm trying to make this short, but this is just not going to be a short video. I tried, man. Alright, so first things first, I need to fix that mistake. And it's not too bad. Let's see, scoop. Okay. I think I got it. Alright. Got it routed to the correct one. Does look a little close to that. I'm going to try to get this one on the end first. And then start coming back the way I started. Come on. I'm buggering up here. gotta fix this too. Man, I know I can't see into the scoop. There we go. No. It was there. And it was. Come on. Yay. Alrighty. How are you looking on the cams? Okay. Okay. Alright. Where are we at? Got that one right there. Come on. Damn it. Until I flat. My dog's over here freaking chasing flies. Alright. Shit. Okay. Well, I think that's all of them. Let me just make sure we're good. So painstaking. Please, people, no DIY, no DIY. Come on. There we go. I have to put the jumper wire away. hopefully. Let's try to see what's going on underneath here. Alright, something is no bueno. I'm missing one, is that what it is? Damn it. Okay. That one looks like it's bridged or touching the right again. So yeah, it's bridged. See a bridge connection. I'm gonna freaking check here. No, it's not. Okay, this is good. Turn off mine. That's looking pretty close to done. We're gonna just make sure we have these all good real quick. That needs to go there. Why did I do that? Alright, iron back on. I might have made a connection I didn't need to make. There was just so much damage to make things out. And then that angle was not friendly to me. I have a spot, but I have nothing there. Need to see what's going on. Got to see what is going on. Well, what do we see? Okay, we see a connection there with nothing on it. I can't. Did an unnecessary wire. Come on. Damn it. There. There we go. Alright, so yeah, I'm actually down one. Híjole. Alright, so apparently we need one more word. Oh man. Whoa. Wow, I've been doing so many jumpers lately that this wire's actually running kind of low. All you DIYers. Oh man. Okay. Gotta get one right in between two other jumpers. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Oh no, there's freaking too big of a glove on that. I want just a little glove. That should work. Alright, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Damn. Okay. Alright. How we looking? How we looking? That's what I want to know. I'm going to switch off the tip here soon to the chisel table right now, I guess. I have some faith. I don't know how this is going to look in the casing though, you know? What if I do all this work and then it sits all jacked up in the casing? Alright, we got 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one needs to come undone. Yeah. Alright, y'all. Time to do a little cleanup. We're gonna test this bad boy out. I really don't know how to feel. oh yeah, we gotta cap the legs. That's what I'm worried about the most. Yeah, I'm worried about the most. Yeah, I think that one's the unnecessary one. It's okay though. Alright, let's voltmeter this and then secure the posts and reassemble and test. God, it's going to be almost an hour. Oh well, a good hour. Okay, it's really difficile. That's good. That wire isn't even connected. Oh yeah, it is. Go back. Huh. Damn, I disconnected. Wheel. Fire back up. Knock everything over. Get in there. Ah, this is not fun. Pretty much just need to fix the unnecessary one and I should be good. Oh, it's on the chisel tip now. Scheisse. Can we remove the unnecessary one? Let's see, is this one right here? Got it. Alright, so now it's voltmeter. Hopefully that was unnecessary. The jumper, that is. And we'll be good. Let's set this. Perfect. Alright, well, this is scary stuff, but we gotta move forward. That's about as good as it gets on this side. I gotta pause both. Well, I somehow seem to have forgot how bad this actually is on this other side. I made the other side look so acceptable. There's no way that this isn't gonna bridge. That's alright though, because it shouldn't affect any. Well, the one thing we're really worried about is what's going on in between these layers, and the drill hole's already there, so we can't change that. So we just gotta hope. I hope it works, because this is a lot of work, and I want the client to be happy. And then we could all kind of share this victory after you guys sitting through it and me pushing through it. Alright, we got that side done. Oops. Oh, that's not cool. Damn it. I need more flux, that's what it is. There's some flux in there. Alright, it's about as good as it gets. We just gotta hope and pray this works out. Oh man. Oh man. Well, that sucks. Unfortunately, on this side we lost some footage, but on the 1080p we did not. But we finished up the jumpers. I accidentally made one that we didn't actually need. Now we're just getting these posts secured, which is pretty much done. Yeah, we got the posts secured. Now we're just doing cleanup. It's just freaking nutty though. Will it work? I just hope it works. Just hope it works. What do we got right here? Oh, there was some solder on the board. That wasn't good. So random glob of solder. Oh, there's another one. Alright, they left some fun times. There's a chunk took out of the board. Metal over the board. Alright, let's do our part and clean up what little mess I made. Dude, if this works. Where'd my flux go? There we go. Alrighty. Yeah, this is wild. Pretty wild, man. Alright, Anthony. This video is for you. We're on the last final steps. Hopefully you watch this video in its entirety so you can understand why I'm so against DIY. And please, next time let me do it. Alright, that was ridiculous. This ridiculousness will have to work. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to do this 1080p finish though. It may be kind of ghetto, but well, it is a laptop. I guess I could carry it over there. Alright, the final test is coming up, Phil. Hang tight. Alright, y'all. It's for all the marbles. Freaking fly. Alright, y'all. This one's for all the marbles. Fucking fly. We got it all set up on the 1080p. Oh, my freaking phone died. Oh, that sucks balls. Alright, well we got the 1080p, so let's do this. Will it work? Staying on. It's a good sign. No way! Oh! It fucking worked! It fucking worked! Oh man. No way. Oh man. No fucking way, dude. I can't believe it. It had drill holes in it and I fucking fixed it, yo. Woo! Thanks for dropping in, y'all. Steve with SBL Games. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. That was a fun one. Have a good night.